Hit the record button for this.
All right, it's Jonas here with James and Jonas.
Jimmy.
And let's parlay with Mr. Josh Prey.
How you guys doing? Thank you guys for having me. I'm just happy to be here.
Okay, first of all, get the
Mr.
mic
Prey.
in front of your face.
I like mics in my face. I ain't mean it like that.
Yeah,
Come
it
on,
didn't
man.
sound good.
I ain't mean it in that way. It's a mic in my face. Y'all never had no mics in y'all face? Okay, you know what? That's just okay.
Can we start this over?
Okay.
This is James and Jonas here. Let's parlay with Josh Prey.
My name's
Mr.
Josh Prey. I'm just happy to be here in the presence of greatness with James and Jonas on the vlog.
You know, all jokes aside, you were a big fan, bro.
I am. No, I love the artist formerly known as Haitian Husbands. I love the way you guys changed your name though. What spawned that?
You?
Yeah, it was definitely.
No, don't put this on me.
Nah, it was you.
I am now interviewing James and Jonas guys.
All right.
We was backstage.
Stage.
If
Y'all
In that
changed
room.
y'all name.
Yeah,
I said that.
You was.
Why y'all call the Haitian Husbands?
You were drunk. What you say you weren't?
I don't
drunk.
drink.
That you
People know I don't drink.
You were drunk off water. You
Drunk off
came.
the
Me
Lord.
and James. Me and James was in his back room practicing, and somehow you found your way back there.
Why y'all name the Haitian Husbands? I talk like that.
Why you the Haitian husband?
Why y'all the Haitian Husbands? Why y'all just call yourself like y'all real names and get a bigger fan base?
Exactly what he said.
Exactly what you said.
And it took y'all like that happened like 4 or 5 months
4 or
ago.
5 months.
And it took y'all like 4 or 5 months to take my advice.
Haitians are stubborn.
Yeah, we are.
It's not an excuse.
I mean, come on, man.
That's absolutely terrible. It is, man.
Mr. Prayer.
Hey, the damage has been done. Although we can't regret what we've done in the past, because one thing I will say is the Haitians needed what we did. We didn't have
When
that.
you say the Haitians,
Right.
what do you mean?
Haitian people.
Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all. I think you guys underestimate the minds of Haitian people. I don't think Haitian peoples need labels. I think Haitian people enjoy it more. And this is me speaking from an outside perspective. I think they enjoy it more when somebody's extremely successful and then boom, on the biggest stage, oh, saga fait, ça passe.
The problem with
It
what you
means
say
more.
is, here's the problem with what you say. Jamaicans have their version of that comedic guy, or that Gallus in Paris and Prince.
Never heard of him.
Prince
Never
Marnie.
heard. Shouts out to Jam Rock.
He does the Suzanne thing. We're gonna actually.
He does a Suzanne thing.
Yeah, don't listen.
never seen
Just don't worry about that.
Never.
Them boys doing their thing, and Jamaicans have more than just that. And then you got the Chinese who have theirs. Listen, all I'm saying is that one point in time when Instagram and Vine and all that had their thing, every culture had theirs except us, and we had a couple. We did.
But I don't
it's
think
just
y'all
that we
understand-
felt like there was a void that we can come
In
and fill
comedy?
in. Yes. We felt like there was a void that we came in. It was us and a couple of other of our fellas and our fellow Haitian American comedic artists. We decided, hey, the Haitian comedy scene is too old. It's a lot of older heads in Haiti, and there's a lot of us here, which we need something, and we came through and we did that. It's not only me and James, but it was a couple of us.
There was a couple people that paved the way before us.
Before us too,
okay,
yeah.
my question is, by coming in and representing for the Haitian culture, right? You guys don't think you alienate everybody else?
You're not wrong.
And then
Yeah, put ourselves in a box.
and
You're not
then
wrong.
you try to come back and say, wait, we're sorry for alienating you guys?
You're not wrong. The thing is, once you start to realize, and this is no disrespect to our culture, but we have a very support issue, and this is outside of just comedy. This is in our country itself. There's problems outside of what we speak.
I disagree.
You're not in it to know.
I'm going to say that I disagree because
I'd love to hear your take.
one of the prime examples is when somebody dies. I don't care if you've never met the person. Every Haitian weeps when somebody dies. You don't even got to know the people. That's
true.
Somebody died in Seattle. Oh my gosh, my baby! No, we have to go to the funeral. Haitians are emotionally attached to every living thing. I'm surprised more Haitians aren't Buddhists.
Haitians are emotionally attached, but they're not financially attached.
But okay, this is the thing: the power of money, right? Sometimes you don't need the power of money to move. It's the power of being.
Josh, what's up, man? This is not.
He's a philosopher today.
Fuck.
I am not.
Fuck
He's a philosopher
this.
today.
Fuck this.
You
How
a
are
whole
you?
new different person today.
No.
Listen, I'm always like this. I have no clue what you guys are talking about.
How are you, Mr. Prey?
I'm absolutely fine.
Do you pray?
I pray 3 times a day. My mother's a minister.
No.
Really?
Yeah, my mama a preacher. Wow. Y'all thought this thing was like by chance? Hey, shouts out to Miss Scent. My mama be in my videos. That's my real mama.
That's your real mom. I see
That's
all the
my
time.
mama. She be in my
So
videos.
it's no. So then you must have had like a Reverend Master owner back in the 1800s that was like a preacher dude who said pray will be our last name.
Nah, I'm pretty sure it was just a slave owner that said the pray is my last name. These people belong to me.
That's what I just said.
My mama,
but he was a slave
but
owner.
I wasn't. But when I was born, when my mama was pregnant with me, my mama told me, true story. My mama said, "Baby, when I was pregnant with you, I was 8 months pregnant. I was in the house cutting up cocaine. I bagged it up. I left the door. The police came and cooked in the door, took everybody to jail. She said, after I had you, I gave my life to the Lord." So my mama wasn't always a minister. My mama was a dope girl. Shouts out to the dope girls. Mama, I know you're a minister. I know you love me, Mom.
You think she gonna be happy?
Who's on the
My mama
show?
testifies.
she testifies.
My mama testifies all the time.
Okay.
My mama can tell you everything. Ain't nothing like new under the sun, man. So I pray a lot. You know what I'm saying? I know the game. But I don't do no drugs. I don't drink and I don't smoke. At all.
Your mama was moving sacks.
My mama was moving bags, dope, bundles, watermelon season.
Damn.
If it was in the Immokalee, my mama probably had it in the 80s. Straight up.
I think we gotta wrap this interview up.
Nah, man, let's keep going. I'm excited now. Let's talk.
My mom was selling that
Like
shit.
selling it. Slanging by the bundles.
Okay, now do you? No, okay. So with being a Black American,
Yes, sir.
I
Appreciate you calling me Black American. I really do.
You don't like the African American?
I do not like being called African American.
Why
Okay,
is
so
that?
we're gonna continue. Why don't you like the African
Because
American?
I've never been to Africa. I was born here. I was raised here. I was bred here. I feel like even as Haitians, like if your descendants are from Haiti, you have Haitian in you, but you're American Haitian.
Oh no,
Wait. This is how I feel because I feel like titles separate, just like religion. I feel like titles separate people.
Okay.
When you look at an application, when was the last time you seen European American, Irish American,
Very true.
German American?
Absolutely.
Right.
You see white American.
That's not on accident either.
So
White or
why?
black,
So
it's
why
not
do
on
I have to be called African American? Call me Afro American.
You know
I'll take
why.
that. Why?
It's labeling.
Yeah.
They're labeling you to undermine you and what you are. You're not an American, and we won't call you that.
So-
that's how the system works.
So
You're
how do you
black.
stop? So how do you stop it?
You can't.
You ain't really no way to stop that.
You cannot.
Do you
Listen,
guys got kids?
Yes, I have one. He doesn't.
How old is your kid?
6.
6-year-old what? Boy, girl?
Boy.
Okay, so you mean to tell me that you can't condition your child to be called American Haitian? So when he grows, so when he's 25, he say, you know what? I'm American and my dad was Haitian.
You want to know why?
Why?
He's always going to be Haitian first.
How?
That's what it is.
That's
But he
just
was
how-
naturalized here.
Yeah, this is where he was born.
That's conditioned way of thinking.
Oh, this is where he was born.
Your
he
son's
was born,
American. Your
Listen,
son's an American Haitian.
no.
Yes.
That by title, it doesn't matter where you're born. You're always going to be what your parents are.
No,
It's all
man.
about what's in your bloodline, man.
Buddy.
He again. Okay, so my son's African American.
You don't want him to call. You don't.
No,
want
I'm just. But I'm asking a question though.
How about this?
But listen, how many generations do we go back?
Two.
Two.
To what?
To what you're gonna name your child? Like my mama was born in Florida. My grandma was born in Florida.
My parents were born in Haiti.
Okay, so if you want to go back 2 generations, that's fine.
Okay.
What I'm saying, if I'm going back 2, we're still American.
You need to go back several.
I have to go back. But then, hold up, this is another thing though, right? Because okay, a lot of people don't know. I was in the educational system for a couple of years. I got a degree in education.
Nice.
In the 1400s, Christopher Columbus sailed here, right?
Right.
He met.
we're gonna talk about that.
He
Slaughtered.
met Native Americans on the
Slaughtered.
coast of Florida, right?
Slaughtered.
When he met Native Americans on the coast of Florida, they traded African garments with him. Christopher Columbus was supposed to be one of the first people to sail here from the new land, right?
That's right.
Okay, so if they're trading African garments, where do these African garments come from?
Of course.
So that means to tell me the Africans was here
Before
Christ-
him.
Okay, so what if I told you that my ancestors were never slaves?
Kinsey, you stay back there.
I'm just saying, Kenzie, what if I told you my ancestors was never slaves
Don't
and,
you-
and we were located in the Dakotas, in Minnesota, and we were here the whole time? So my
That
descendants
is-
never go back to slavery.
That is a very deep.
But it's natural
study.
history,
You
though.
gotta break that,
That,
down.
right,
there.
because we'd have to sit here for hours. We
Yeah.
could go all day.
I just
on
broke
that.
it down in like 30-something seconds.
No,
Y'all just in
no.
denial.
There's proof needed, and we got to read and look. But as of right now,
There's proof.
Here's what I will
Who
say.
writes the books?
Look, buddy, listen, that's what I'm saying. You can never go and find the original book that was written.
He is savage.
Says what? Says who? Who wrote the original book?
The original books will never be seen by you because the man has them.
Who's the
in
man?
a nice, you know who? Listen, I gotta live.
Who's
I don't
the
need
man?
the Navy
Nah,
SEAls
because-
coming in
no,
my
Ain't
house.
coming over here.
Because
You
see,
know.
but what I'm saying is like
Boom.
we are so trapped in this propaganda of the man. But y'all understand that we are the man too, because we are rewriting our own history. We rewrite our own history by not telling our children the truth.
Pray, I'm Haitian American.
You can be Haitian American. That's fine. What I'm saying is I'm Black American, and I appreciated you calling me Black American.
Why you ain't American black?
I can be American black.
So
I'm saying Black American because black is my color.
Okay, I'm saying Haitian American because Haitian's who I am. That's my culture.
And that's fine. I just told you thank you.
Pray.
I just said
You can be a lawyer.
I just said you should be American Haitian.
You can be a good lawyer.
But you can be what you want to be. But black is my color.
In the Haitian Constitution, it says as long as your parents are Haitian,
You can buy
wherever
land
you're
there.
born.
In the
all
what
that.
Constitution?
In the Haitian Constitution.
Where do you pay taxes? Ooh. Okay, next question.
Now, if a nuclear bomb decides to come in this motherfucker, I pay taxes in Haiti. That's all I'm saying. Because that's my new residence.
Who collects taxes? Mickey?
Huh?
You know
Mickey
what?
First of
Or is it
all,
White Club?
that was a shot. That was Mickey. I love you, brother. Mickey, me and you, Mick. Who won that new boy?
I like White Club.
Mickey,
I love White
Nous
Club.
pas de problème. Club, who won that nous pas de problème?
Stir up some trouble.
Listen, I love White Club.
Vieux black américain, ça la vie là,
Oh,
les vieux
now you wanna talk
parler.
crib. See, that's what Haitians do, man. See, they trying to plead that case. Listen, Mickey, I love you. White Club, you know I love White Club. Father Clef, you're standing too close. And I'm just saying,
You too close, man.
you're too close, man. Now I like White Club too. It's just a joke. It's a joke. Some truth to it though. Spark
No,
every fire.
there's listen. Listen. We can off mic. We can go definitely deep diving into that. But there's definitely truth
Say
to
it
what
on
you're
mic,
saying.
nigga. What you scared of?
Nah,
You just said
I
say what I want
gotta
to say.
go to sleep tonight.
Listen, man. Prayer.
I should have had this on live.
I gotta go to sleep tonight. All right, Navy SEALs gonna come in. Toop, 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 toop. Everybody, don't you ain't never heard. You see, I'm not gonna get into this.
Yeah.
But there was a thing about there was a cure for AIDS
The
from
nigga
these French.
just said he ain't gonna get into it. He get
No,
into
no.
it.
I'm just putting it out there.
I mean,
I ain't gonna
come
have
on.
sex with no condom, but this is dick. Yeah. It's a vagina. I'm gonna fuck it, but I ain't gonna want to though.
Fuck it.
I ain't gonna like it.
I'm not gonna say what I was gonna say.
Edit this out. That's all we got.
As I was saying about you being Black American,
Yes, sir.
You guys have a Foley. Foley means there's like a thing you like to do, or is this constant, reoccurring situation. Why y'all put that one gold tooth?
What is that?
All right, first of
We
all,
call that the bus driver tooth.
first of all, that nigga attacking my tooth.
No, it's not.
This nigga with the Ronald Noodle dreads, this nigga attacking my tooth. This nigga got on the orangest chain ever. Listen.
Oh, it's Jones. It's a full-on Jones.
Corner Boosie fade ass nigga.
Listen.
An edge away from looking like Yo Gotti head ass nigga.
Why your arms rolled up by themselves? Okay, seriously though. Look at James.
I ain't got nothing to do with none of this.
First of all,
Hold on.
Let's answer the question. Let's answer the question,
if
James.
you talk about
Jonas.
arm rolling,
Jonas,
huh?
let's answer the question.
No. We gonna get into the neck calorie count. Okay? Because the calorie count in your neck is a little high. You got separate blood pressure in your neck alone.
Why your breast sit so high?
Why your breast is so low?
Why you sucking it in right now?
Why you sucking it out right now?
You just repeating stuff I'm saying.
I'm going back.
Hey,
I'm going back.
He can't even grow a mustache properly. Listen.
No, that's true. That's a fact.
Listen, the
Everything you
reason-
said is a fact.
The reason I have one goal, when I was, so when I'm marketing, my first gold tooth was in the middle of my mouth. I don't know why I did it. I was 14 years old, and that's when goals was like popping. Haitians couldn't have goals in their mouth. Y'all I'm gonna whoop y'all. That's a lie. Markley, all my Haitian homeboys, booted, rock, slugged up.
That's a different type of Haitian. You know,
It
the
is.
Immaculate Haitian, we call that the underyards.
Yeah, that's
The outskirts.
The jabs.
Out there. Out there.
Yeah, they jabby.
I had 8 goals in my mouth. So I had one, then I got this one. Then I went to college in Miami. I went to Florida Memorial University for a couple years, and I got 8. And then when I went to the educational system, I got them all taken out, and I just couldn't afford to get them taken out. That's just fact.
You telling me you had $1, 2, 3,
I had 7 taken out.
$700, but you was missing one extra
This wasn't
$100.
$700. It was a couple grand.
Growing up in
A couple grand to get it out.
A couple grand. Yes, I didn't have dinner. I didn't have dental insurance until I hit 25.
You know you could be a licensed bus driver with that tooth alone. Just grab a Bluetooth headset. Mm-hmm. You gonna have the real big fat ass.
I'm gonna let him ride on that.
Hey, growing up in the Immaculate, you grew up around a lot of Haitians, a lot of
Zoes, a lot of Mexicans.
So,
No
you had
Cubans, no
Haitian-
Puerto Ricans.
You had Haitian friends.
I had a lot of Haitian friends. Still,
So, your first time going to your Haitian friend house,
Chris Calixi.
Tell
Shout out
me.
to Chris Calixi.
He knows too. You remember?
what happened?
Okay, so we went to
You
Chris.
seen some shit.
We went to Chris Calixi house. I had to be I was 14, 8th grade. Hey, shouts out to Chris Calixte, man. He's let me beat chicks down in his mama house.
His name is Calixte, bro.
Calixte? It's Chris Calixte?
Calixte.
That's my dog right there, man. I love that. I love that. Him, Ernest Jean, Jodani. You know Jodani, that's his name. I went to Chris Calixte's house. Walked into the yard. It was like 19 cars in the yard, right?
Yeah,
what kind of cars?
Toyotas,
Mazda, Camry, Mazda, Isuzu.
Yeah.
And all the Camrys was from the 1980s because that's a good year.
So, yes, it is.
So
the 80s, late
I walked
early
into the
90s.
yard and then like his dad and all his friends were playing dominoes at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Nigga, y'all don't work? Like, but y'all got that big ass Haitian wallet though. What your daddy do? I don't know. He don't work. Then we go into the house. It was hot. Why don't Haitians like turn on the AC?
Look. All right.
You know, we didn't invent that. That's from y'all.
Who us?
That's from y'all.
Niggas keep Black Americans keep their house cold and dark.
Not the blacks I've been to.
Here's the thing.
You would think we was doing old school photos in our shit, like putting them in the water and stuff.
Haitians like natural, okay? Natural everything.
It's natural hot. The walls
yeah,
sweat.
let me get that.
The ground sweat.
Let me get that.
If you're getting a real hot one, you get the
get
greasy
that.
ground.
Yeah.
And then y'all keep. And then okay, keep going.
Every window in the house is open. It's still 142 degrees.
So why is it so hot? You can't even explain it.
She cooking on top of the stove.
It wasn't no cook. Like, and this is another thing. Haitians cook like at 1 o'clock in the morning, just leave food there. These big ass pots like it's Thanksgiving.
That is very true.
And then
That is so true.
That is so fucking true. I can't even be mad at you, bro.
It's the truth. And then so I walk in, I see a China cabinet, so I go in like I'm thirsty. He's like, no, don't touch that. Why? He was like, cause that's the China cabinet.
Yeah, you don't really touch those.
But you can't even explain why we don't touch.
Did you
touch
ask though? You didn't even
For
ask.
what? Why would you? Why do Haitian people keep dishes in the living room?
All right.
What?
It's for display, man.
And then y'all got like the plastic. You don't even stick to that shit. Like you can
Bro, listen.
everything's in plastic. Y'all TV be in plastic.
Listen, that was created by the black man.
It was not.
Yeah, it
If you go back to what the fuck's the movie where they shot Ricky?
Yeah.
Boys in the Hood. In their living room.
1990. The movie came in 1990.
Now, nigga, what?
When did
They didn't get that from us. Ain't
Yeah,
no Haitians in California in 1990,
Okay,
brother.
if you go back and look at the Mac that came out in the 70s, if you go back and look at Foxy Brown, getting y'all some, that came out in the 70s. You go look back and look at all these movies, Uptown Saturday Night, that came out in the 60s, 70s.
My nigga, how old are you?
No, I'm 34. No plastic. No plastic. The Haitians came to America in the 80s.
And we just started putting plastic
Y'all
on everything.
brought y'all damn culture
So meaning
over here.
you are saying that you guys have copied us?
Hell yeah.
Oh, thank you.
No, it ain't no. See, that's the problem. That's why it's stupid to have Black American Haitian beef. We all take from one another, man.
That wasn't our fault.
That black
y'all motherfuckers.
y'all just started picking
Y'all
on us.
motherfuckers.
This is awesome.
Y'all
See,
came
I'm glad I'm on the blog.
Y'all came for us.
Okay, so why do we come for you guys?
Y'all said we stank.
Haitian body odor, HBO.
Haitian
HBO.
HBO. Congratulations,
We
you're
eat
a
cat.
Haitian.
Oh,
I do know a few Haitians that could tear up a cat, though.
Okay, boom. So that's why, cause we said y'all stank and then it carried beef, right?
Yeah.
Okay, bam. 30-second educational moment. Go. What if I told you guys that before you came here in Overtown in Miami, Florida, that the government was funding that community? Then the government wanted to whitewash that community, and what they did was they take the money that was given to the Black Americans, they start giving to the Cubans, the Mexicans, and the Haitians. So now Jean-Claude is in the office collecting his check. He doesn't speak English because he just got here, and I'm a Black American. I get my food stamp card, and I go from getting $300 to getting $20, and they're telling me the reason this is happening is because Jean-Claude taking it. So now I spite Jean-Claude. That creates tension, and Jean-Claude can't even explain to me. All he's saying is, I don't understand why you mad, but he's in an undiscovered country. He doesn't know where he's going, so he can't explain, this isn't my fault. This is what they told me to do. All I know is whoever was at that government building told me the Haitian man is taking your money.
So that's a reason to come for the Haitian man?
No, that's the reason to come for anybody, because I'm a poor man already, and now you're giving you what you used to give to me, so I got to find somebody to blame. It's immature, it's childish, and it's stupid. Yeah. But it was perfection and it was genius, because what it did was it separated two cultures. You get this culture and this culture together, that's a problem. You separate these two cultures, and it's a situation for years.
I just want to know you ain't over your time.
Oh, okay, I'm just checking. Okay,
Yeah, that was more.
That's
than
another
30
educational
seconds.
moment. I'm sorry.
Nah, but
I don't mean to drop
that
knowledge.
culture divide.
It's genius.
real.
It's genius
real.
on the white man's part, and
Stop saying the white man.
No,
man.
I'm not
it's
gonna
not the white man.
It wasn't the black man.
It's the government.
Who is in charge of the government?
Who was our president 3 years ago?
Don't fucking give me
Was it
that.
3 years
You're talking about something from that happened from the
He was
fucking 80s and
What
90s.
I'm saying is,
You don't like Obama?
No, I ain't saying none of that. What I'm saying is, so was Obama the man?
No.
When he was the president, was he
Even
the
when
man?
Obama was in presidency,
Technically, yeah,
He
but
was the man, right?
They kind of
no,
handcuffed
the
him a
man
little bit.
is, exactly. The man is never the president. It's the
All right.
people who the president has to give his accept that.
Cool.
Boy, and that's Congress.
All right, I'm actually-
Congress
hold
is
up.
You gotta rebuttal.
I'm gonna ask
99.79%
y'all a personal question.
white.
I don't even need the total amount. Have y'all broke $200,000 yet
No,
in a year? Have you broke 100 yet?
close.
Close. Last year I broke $100,000 in comedy. My tax return was amazing. Until you get to a certain level, you don't see the effects of the other side, because we are conditioned to want to be poor. Because if we want to be poor, then we get government assistance, then we get extra things.
We have had conversation about that, and that I agree.
But again, though, when Obama was in power, which I absolutely voted for, was he considered the man?
I can't say yes.
Yeah, 'cause
When it comes to social issues and family and togetherness of the country, Obama, greatest president in the history of the world.
Shout out to
me.
Bill Clinton.
World to me. When it comes to finances for business owners, this president right now, socially, this man's a moron. I mean, like, how the fuck? But when it comes to finances, if you have a business, when you break $100,000, you're going to be looking at Trump like,
You ain't that bad.
man, fuck you back. Damn, you giving me all this back? Because 4 years ago, at $250,000, I'm giving away 48% of my money. Now, I might be giving away 29%, 30%. When you making $50,000, 29% ain't shit. When you making $200,000, $300,000, nigga, saving an extra 11%, an extra 17%, that's 2 houses. But you know what though? I'm way too old right now.
So pray.
You too
Listen,
old.
I'm way too old.
Fuck politics. Fuck politics.
all that shit.
We gonna invite Josh Prey. He gonna come tell some joke and be a black American.
Josh
This nigga-
Spray came in here with a
this nigga-
CNN ass, MSNBC
This nigga
ass,
way too
Fox
smart,
Super
man.
News. Jesus.
I'm gonna put the cap on y'all
So,
ass.
Pray, if people don't know by now what you've been screaming all day, you are from
Immokalee, Florida, Immokalee. You know what I'm saying? We spell that shit with an I, but we pronounce that shit without it. Immokalee, Florida, what's up?
Shout out to Immokalee.
Immokalee. I went to Immokalee. Okay, I
Yeah,
went to
you're
Immokalee.
lying.
No. Let me tell you. I'm not gonna lie. 'Cause I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna explain it to you. You're gonna tell you exactly right.
What's the finest girl in Immokalee? Who the finest girl in Immokalee right now?
Hold on. Can
Your
I
mama,
finish?
man.
My mama ain't Haitian. Who the finest Haitian in Immokalee right now?
You didn't say that.
If you been to Immokalee, it's 3 bad Haitians in Immokalee right now. Everybody know they're gonna be undefeated
No.
forever. Give it to me.
No.
You ain't been to Immokalee.
I've been to
No,
Immokalee.
man.
Let me
Damn,
tell you
bro.
my damn
If
story.
Melda doesn't come on, see, she got a stone named Lucky
He
Mel.
said Nelda.
Melda is the baddest Haitian.
Her Facebook name is Melda too.
Melda. She owns Lucky Mel.
You know what?
You ain't got
Is that MELDA?
She cook. If she cooks, she cleans, she owns a business. That's Melda.
Oh look, she sent me a friend request.
That's thank you.
She sent me a friend request.
Shouts out to Melda.
Hey,
man.
Melda, you about to get added today. She sent me a friend request.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
She fine.
You ain't been to Immokalee.
She sent me a friend.
You ain't been to Immokalee.
I ain't even
You ain't been to Immokalee if you ain't seen that yellow Canadian type Haitian.
Yeah, she fine.
Yellow Canadian.
I know.
Haitians
So-
in Canada be like the
All
color
right,
of light.
I'm gonna respond to
All right,
Melda's
who's the
friend
second one?
request.
The second finest Haitian Immokalee? Probably stun you.
How
Haitian
you
chick ain't
know all of these Haitian fine Haitian?
Because in Immokalee, it's Mexican, it's Haitian,
It's black.
it's Indian, Native American, Black American, white.
so it's like 4 white people in the whole.
It might be like 8, but they run Immokalee. They got them right.
So I went to Immokalee.
Everybody got furniture. From
And
there.
my boy King lives there. Shout out to King. King from there. King from Immokalee. His name is Herbins. And I
He's
go
not
there.
gonna like that.
No, he is cool. So I go there, right? And I'm driving. It took me like 80,000 hours to get there. So I'm going all these back roads. And I get on a road. And I'm like, oh, this is a little nice town. But my GPS says you about right. You about right where you need to be. Mm-hmm. First of all, the service was nowhere. Your service cuts ain't no cell towers there, nothing. That's the first thing. Second thing is the first thing you're greeted by is a McDonald's. I think it was a McDonald's, a Popeyes.
Where did you come in from?
A Taco Bell.
You're lying.
It was in the same plaza, the Taco Bell, the Popeyes.
You're lying.
No,
You're lying.
You know what I'm talking about.
Popeyes is 2 miles away from Taco Bell.
Popeyes was, no, it was KFC. 2.3
miles
miles away.
away.
No,
You don't find Taco Bell
listen.
on the west side.
Okay.
There is no KFC in Immokalee.
All I know is Immokalee was one fucking street.
It is, 29.
And it had, I think it was a Winn-Dixie.
It's a Winn-Dixie.
It was a Winn-Dixie, and I remember the damn Taco Bell. I remember the Popeyes, and that was it.
How
It was
many-
Mexicans everywhere and Haitian people, and just apartment looked like Section 8. Nothing wrong with Section 8, but it looked like that was
My
what
nigga,
it
we
was.
like definitely section 19, my nigga. Hey, nigga, we got trailers with flat screen TV.
Like you don't got a Walmart.
Nope.
No
There's no
Walmart.
Walmart, no movie theater. There's a lake, so there's no major waterfront.
So what? Okay.
There's no clothing store.
You gotta go to
Winn-Dixie
Naples and Fort Myers.
Winn-Dixie is Walmart, Publix, everything.
Everything.
What else?
They
What else
everything.
y'all got? Just Winn-Dixie?
I can tell you every restaurant. We got Burger King. We got one Burger King, one McDonald's. Taco Bell just came out last year. Popeyes, Subway. Those are the only chain restaurants.
How many barbecue?
they're all-
How many
they're
barbecue
all on
pits
one
y'all
street.
got?
We don't have one barbecue pit.
Not one barbecue pit.
Nope. No, you know what? I'm lying. Okay, uptown on Main Street, it's a place called 2nd Street. People know it. It's a place called 2nd. That's like the Martin Luther King of every city.
So it's another black.
It's a
it's
place.
black people.
It's called Oasis Wingstop. It just opened. It's real dope too.
Wingstop might not like that.
It's a couple Haitian restaurant. We got the Haitian stove. That's the name of it.
It's
Like-
called Haitian stove.
No, but if you like, hey, where y'all get some chicken from? Man, go to the Haitian stove.
So
They sell
it's
chicken,
Haitian
plantain.
stove. STO.
The Haitian stove.
Or just say bun bro.
It's either we call it Haitian stove. We call it it's either Haitian stove or Jean stove.
It's both of them are right. They're
Yeah,
both
it's
right.
Haitian stove.
They're both right. We'll both understand.
And then a couple people sell Haitian plates out their houses. We got El Taquito. It's like the size of
You
this.
guys have a lot of fucking Mexican food trucks.
Yeah, we do. We
They're
got some
like on
Mexicans.
every block.
on Farmers Market. You
Yeah,
know what I'm saying?
they're-
El Taquito 1. We got the Mexicano number 1, number 2.
So people leave town to go to work.
Fort Myers, Naples.
Yes. And if you're in Immokalee, it's all agriculture. Like it's all picking fruit, picking vegetables.
LaBelle, I think is an
LaBelle ain't even
area.
the town. LaBelle the side of this restaurant.
And then there's another one with a weird name.
Felder.
There's another one.
Lehigh?
Lehigh's
Lehigh's right outside of Immokalee. Lehigh's more
Lehigh
Fort
got
Myers.
some. They got some babies though.
Lehigh ain't got no fucking
They got
babies.
some babies on Lehigh.
Lehigh, they bathe in well water.
Oh my God.
I didn't say none of that. All my Lehigh people, please look
I
at
love
me.
Lehigh. I'm from Immokalee. I can say
Kizzy,
that.
let them know Jonas didn't say none of that. I
damn,
love
Craig.
239.
It's well water in Lehigh.
Oh damn,
But
brother.
Lehigh, I know I fucked with Lehigh.
They had a Flint situation now.
Nah, it
Lehigh?
ain't bad as Flint now. Lehigh, like that's where it goes down there, cause like it used to be Fort Myers, cause Fort Myers is called Pakistan.
Yeah,
Is it- there's a lot of Indians out there, or is it because it was just too much violence?
No, Pakistan, no Fort Myers. I won't say not one negative thing about Fort Myers ever.
a lot of violence.
Shouts out to Fort Myers, Florida.
Oh, when I drive by, they will not bother me.
Hell no. Nah, but a lot of people from like everywhere is moving to Lehigh, so Lehigh's starting to get a little bit rougher.
So that's where Fort Myers where Plies from.
Fort Myers from Plies from, yo. Plies, Frank Lennon, Soldier Creek. There's a couple rappers out
Kurt
there. Yo,
Franklin.
Kurt Franklin. Nigga said Kurt Franklin.
I mean, yeah, man.
Same person.
Coming from Fort Myers, you need somebody.
You gotta be
religiously
tough.
Strong.
You gotta be tough coming from the folk. Coming from Immokalee and Fort Myers, like Immokalee and Fort Myers, we like the same
Same breed of people.
boat, but we just poorer. We're smaller than Fort Myers, so we're a little bit
So
poorer.
you're saying Naples is the rich part?
Naples, oh gosh, yo, Naples is one of the wealthiest places in America.
Shout out to Naples. I got a girly friend from Naples.
You can't even say shout out to Naples. Listen, don't edit this out on the vlog. I invited the Haitian husband to a show in Naples.
We don't edit nothing out.
I invited James and Jonas to a show.
We did a show in Naples.
No, I invited y'all to do my comedy show in Naples.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No.
I did. Let me see
No,
receipts.
Oh no.
Hey, he the type of you the type of nigga that don't delete messages. You better go find that.
Boy,
you better go find
I
that.
promise it's in here.
Go.
Don't play with me, bro.
I'm not.
You ain't looking. You don't got it. You don't got. Oh wait, no. You good?
Oh, boy, I don't delete
Off
nothing.
camera, you gotta go find
I
it.
will find it. Ain't no problem.
There's no way.
Cause
And
listen,
it would have been me. you was
Nope,
texting.
nope. This is what I wanted to do. This is what I wanted to do, and I ain't gonna even say no names. I just want to get you guys another prominent Haitian figure.
Him.
Another prominent Haitian figure in the Haitian comedy world.
Right.
And I want to get a Caucasian fellows and throw just a dope show because I feel like I performed with you guys twice.
Right.
And I always
Both
said
great times.
And I always said if you guys can like change the Haitian song up to an American song, it'll slaughter. I like facts. Right? And it didn't happen. I was very upset. I was very sad.
Man,
It didn't happen because I don't remember.
I know if y'all came to Immokalee, they'll come out. It'll be like a dope show. Melda's like the person that set that up too.
Melda sent me a friend request and now I'm gonna slide in her DM.
You can't.
Why
Melda,
not?
you ain't nothing you can do for Melda.
Why not?
That Haitian made.
She made or married?
She made.
Made or married?
She's made. Like it ain't nothing you can offer Melda.
I'm gonna send her some eyes right now. We're gonna see how fast I get her.
But she's balling. I'm telling you.
balling like that.
So because she balling, I
What
can't
why
hit
we
my
like-
Nah, she gonna look past you, dog. You can't do nothing for
No.
Melda.
Hey,
why
he
you
got something. You
Damn.
Y'all can do business together.
You trying to
What's
grab
wrong? Why
Melda?
you trying to
We can't have
downplay,
Melda.
man?
Listen, Melda is the. How do you even explain it? Melda is like
Hey Melda.
She's her.
I put 7 A's. Hey Melda.
Melda is everything, dog. That's my partner too.
Yeah, your partner about to get hi.
Nah, dog. She don't like Haitian people.
She sent me a friend request. She must.
Because you the Haitian husbands.
What that
James
mean?
and Jonas.
Look, man. Look. All right. We definitely want to get back out there again.
We should.
I mean,
we can set that up.
It's a little rough, but
It ain't even rough.
You just told me, him and me, that it was rough.
What was
That
rough?
was Fort Myers, James.
Fort Myers.
That's
You're not talking
it's
about
the
Fort
general area.
Y'all really should just do Mockley, like Mockley.
Nah,
just do like
ain't nobody going to
comedy
Mockley,
show.
brother. There ain't no cell service, brother.
Well, where would we even do the show?
It's a couple places in Mockley you can do a show. Like it's a couple places. It's literally a couple places.
The Winn-Dixie, the
Y'all mind doing it at the
Popeyes.
Guadalupe Church.
Oh,
That's a joke.
no,
Kinda.
you said.
Kinda a church. Kinda a church. Nah, it's a couple places. It's a couple places in Mockley.
Why are you like this?
It's a couple. You know what's crazy? I had my first comedy show ever in the Mockley. I went home and had it. Where did you guys have your first
In
comedy?
the stock room of Winn-Dixie.
Where did you guys have your first comedy
Our
show?
first comedy show was in our hometown of West Palm Beach, Florida. This is a true story.
How many years ago?
3.
Y'all only been on the scene 3 years?
That's right.
Yeah.
Damn,
3
y'all
years
wavy.
ago, it was August something, 2015, and it was at Forest Hill High School.
Yep.
About 60 people showed up.
See, I can't get a high school. They won't give me a high school.
Because you trash. So listen, when we then did another show, remember our first show did 60.
Yeah,
our biggest
literally.
show happened again in West Palm Beach, Florida.
We had like
we brought
1,300
out
people.
1,300 heads. It was a sea of Haitians.
Yeah.
And let me tell you something.
It was like the parking lot was that whole
Fire
crowd-
marshal.
just you guys?
No, it was
No.
it was the crew.
It was all of y'all together at that point.
Our original crew that you
And
see
we
was
had a Haitian comedic legend, Jesse Foy.
Jesse Foy. He's one of the older school Haitian
I think I
comedians.
seen him perform last time I performed with y'all.
No.
Was he
It was
there?
an old head.
No.
Y'all
no,
was
you talking about
excited.
Kako.
It wasn't-
Talking about Kako.
No, it was Jesse Foy.
Y'all was super
Jesse Foy
excited.
was there.
Y'all was like, this
I
is
think
the
it was.
man.
I think it was Jesse Foy. I think it was. I'm not.
Have you guys always did Haitian comedy? Like just strictly just stuck to that?
I mean,
This
like,
never started like that, though.
Like this was supposed to be just film, basically. We started out with a show called
The Haitian Husbands of South Florida. It's just a true
I
story.
remember that. Okay, I remember that.
It was a real thing. It just let me subscribe to you. by
Hold
the
up.
way.
Were y'all Haitian American Productions?
Nope.
Who's Haitian American Productions?
We are Haitian American Productions.
So y'all so y'all shared my 5 things to know before dating a Haitian woman. Dog, that went crazy.
Yeah.
Y'all don't understand. Like y'all sharing that, it went dumb.
Nah, but that was really dope, man.
It went dumb.
Where did the influence from that come? What did inspiration? come from?
Dating Haitian women.
Yeah.
Like
Do you like dating?
I like Haitian food.
So that's why.
So
you
you're telling
like dating Haitian
me
women.
you date you like Haitian women because of what they can cook?
Yeah,
what
hell
they
yeah.
offer you.
Haitian women dangerous, bro. he said Jesus walks, Jonas.
Jesus walks.
Jonas, I swear.
Chill.
I swear.
Hold on, man.
Jesus walks. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. I'm just,
It's hot, man.
Okay.
Why it got so hot?
Okay.
let me wipe my eyeball sockets. Oh shit.
Ray, I got 5 questions for you.
They're like 7 of them in there. They're about 7 questions.
Now here's the
All
rules.
right. The rules are what James was about to say.
You got to answer them in less than 5 seconds. What? 5 seconds is where you gonna stop.
What is back there? What Casey? What's going on, brother?
Voodoo. Voodoo.
You know what? That's true.
Yeah.
Haitians.
Old lady just hit that damn stool at home.
That's true. If Haitians don't know what it is, if they can't tell you, it's either satin.
Satin.
Yeah, you know what it is. I'm saying.
You saying it in
can
English?
understand. Yeah,
Satin?
I'm saying it in the English way. Satin, bone J.
Bone
All
J.
right. You see, you know what they're talking about right there. A voodoo. That's it. So
Yeah.
Hey, I'm not.
the 5.
Gloire Jesu, buddy.
What's the question?
You got 5 seconds to answer.
All right, I'm ready.
You
I'm
can
ready.
pass one time.
I'm ready.
But during the pass, you got to come back.
I'm ready.
All right. Here we go. Jonas, you gonna count down?
I got to count down, brother. I'm gonna show you how we do this, brother.
All right. Here we go. Kool-Aid or watermelon?
Kool-Aid.
Oh shit! Whoa.
What's
I've been
wrong
in
with
Immokalee,
watermelon, man?
and there's nothing. There's a whole bunch of Mexicans selling sugar cane and watermelon and all these sugary spices on the side of the road, and you gonna pick Kool-Aid?
Hell yeah.
Bro, listen, man. If you got some wings and you got a couple slices of watermelon,
You good, brother?
Fuck raised y'all.
That just
Fuck is y'all from?
It ain't Kool-Aid and sugar water color.
Y'all ever had a Piccadilly?
now you getting too black for me.
Next time we
brother.
come to when y'all coming to the eye?
Never.
See, we again. I'm inviting them to Naples. I'm gonna put
You
y'all in the
said
hotel.
the
Listen,
eye.
I'm gonna invite y'all
You
to
didn't
Naples.
say the end.
And there's nowhere to stand in Immokalee.
Exactly. Why would I go there?
So I'm gonna invite y'all to Naples. I'm gonna put y'all in a hotel room. I'm gonna pay for it. We gonna chill out one day. I'm gonna take y'all to Immokalee and we gonna vibe. I'm gonna really show y'all
Where we gonna
Immokalee.
go with Dixie?
Listen.
We gonna party up in the fruit section.
And they wonder why the community is crabs in a bucket.
Oh my god.
All right. I'm sorry.
Don't edit that out.
Nothing's getting edited out, brother.
No, we gotta edit some stuff out.
No.
Following is going down
All
right now.
right. Next question. Skinny or thick?
Thick.
Ooh.
I mean, that was a
Thick.
given.
Cellulite, a little bit of gut.
I like mine a
You
little
know
thin,
what?
brother. I do like my chips a little thin.
I want meat. Look, I don't even finish eating my rice.
Fuck meat. I want fat on it. I want the fat part of the grill.
Come on, man.
Maybe
We don't
too
need
much. That's too
a
much,
high
man.
cholesterol pussy, man.
Who don't? Man, thicker than anything, man. Thicker than tainted blood. Next question.
Whoa. Tainted?
Blood.
Like
Tainted.
Like hepatitis B?
Nigga like gonorrhea. Listen.
Oh!
Listen. All STDs ain't bad.
Oh!
Okay.
Hey, cut the mic. Cut the mic.
There's some
Cut
healthy
the mic.
STDs.
What?
Okay, all right. Next question. All right. R&B or rap?
R&B.
You just feel better.
First
Yeah,
of all,
my whole playlist is R&B.
since you said
R&B.
all right, give me a hot 16 of your favorite R&B song. Go.
Hold on, what?
Hot 16 of your favorite R&B song.
16 tracks?
Baby, it's your day and go upstairs and get ready. Put on something that you like. Whatever we can do, just make sure that it's right with you.
Yeah.
Oh, baby girl, tell me what you need, baby. Tell me what you need. Everything is guaranteed. Everything is guaranteed. I know you're tired of working day and night. Put your pills and all your problems to the side. Tell me what you want. I got you, babe. Tell me what you eat.
Who is that?
First Tone Stife. That's like the great. Y'all listen to Tone Stife?
I don't know who that
Tony,
is.
Tony,
I
and
was
Tony.
trying
No,
to get
It's
it.
Tone Stife, my nigga. That's like the greatest thing going. Mario is my favorite R&B singer. He's coming out.
Really?
That's my favorite R&B singer ever.
You
Mario,
must
Marcus
have been
Houston.
going through something during when Mario was hot.
Nah,
and you were listening to
How old are
him.
you? How old are you?
Ask your mama, man.
I graduated high school in 2003. Mario actually performed that. He actually performed at my high school graduation grad night in Orlando.
You was up front.
Hell yeah! In November. No, I'm an R&B lover. Listen, my
You
sexuality
ain't
is
got no
secure.
shame, man.
When Monica's performing in Miami, November 24th. I already bought my tickets VIP. I'm gonna go see her. I'm gonna cry when I see her. I'm gonna sing every song word
Monica's
for word.
great.
I love Monica.
Monica's great.
But it's R&B.
All right, so this next question go right up your alley, man. Teddy
Right
Pendergrass.
up my alley. He couldn't have said nothing else.
No, you just racist.
It goes
That's
right
a-
up your alley.
That's a racist nigga
That's
there.
not racist.
That's
You watch too much Dear Future White People, okay? And you,
First of
I
all,
don't
it's
know,
called
Dear
it's
White
not-
People, isn't it? Dear
Yeah,
White
it's
People.
Dear
Dear
White
Future
People.
White People. Dear White
on,
People.
you
So
watch
you woke as fuck.
You watch it too?
Super pro black.
Let me tell you something. We
I don't.
can't-
I think it's stupid.
We can't,
I'm woke as shit, bro.
we can't go nowhere.
Did you like Get Out?
I love Get Out.
I thought
was
Get
great
Out was
movie.
horrible.
I thought it was amazing.
I thought it was horrible.
That shit, you live that area you live in. You
Yeah.
better watch out for
I ain't
my.
gotta watch
Yeah,
out for
it's
shit.
true, man.
Keep going down the neighbors.
gotta watch out for
Keep
shit.
going down the
The
neighbors.
other day we walked out. We was in the mall shopping for some shit. The guy, we walked into the food court. White guy was coming out of the food court. He stopped us right at the door. Oh my God! What is this? I got a linebacker, fullback. I got a safety.
Where's my receiver?
So he was just talking to you. What did he say about Jonas?
He said your mom.
That
I got a coach. I got a. What did he say about you?
oh shit! Damn. It's hot.
Okay, listen.
I ain't never seen anyone come for me like this.
Listen.
But I'm gonna murder me a black man today.
Listen. No, the only reason I hate to Get Out because like they took for okay, he played on the social climate of the race at that time. In my opinion, only my opinion, and the organ trade on the black market is a serious thing. Like if we get in a car crashes and they can save us, we die for real. Like people are going and missing and we not turning up. And he took that and made it a movie about a white woman separating cereal from milk. No, bitch. We crash us in the car, show them how they don't want to save our lives and sell our shit to cross seas. So that's why I was upset about it. And I don't know one white dude that would give his life to be a nigga for a golf swing.
I don't know.
I'm just saying, you really want to be pulled over at 2 a.m. so you can have a bigger dick? No.
What's going on?
I'm just saying.
Is he not paying attention? All right, next
He
question.
ain't.
No, I was reading something about Dragon Ball Z.
You sure you don't want a new partner? We like the same body size, everything. This shit'll work.
Hey, listen, I don't rely on government assistance, bro.
I don't understand what that means.
All right.
Garage doors and lake views. We gonna come
Come on, my nigga. Come on, double garage.
Like
door.
my home is far away from the street.
Let's go.
Teddy Pendergrass or Marvin Gaye?
Answer this with grace.
5.
I don't know anything
4.
about either one of those artists.
Oh, you just came on this motherfucking microphone talking about
What did Teddy Pendergrass sing?
Are you get the fuck?
What does he sing? Give me a song.
Close the door,
Never heard it.
baby.
Never heard it. Damn.
Wow.
Marvin Gaye's.
Turn off
Is Marvin
the
Gaye
lights.
Grapevine? Say I heard it through the
Bro, turn off the lights, bro.
Never heard it.
Looks like another love TKO. No.
Damn,
No.
You ain't really black. You just
I like
black.
Ron Isley.
Yeah.
How you like Ron Isley and not like Teddy Pendergrass?
I like Lenny Williams. You know who Lenny Williams is?
What the hell is going on between the sheets?
That's not even real Ron Isley. That's R. Kelly.
He was on it, wasn't he?
But that's not Ron.
Was he on it, though?
Between the sheets is Ron Isley. Don't come for me.
Man, why you, bro? What's going?
What's wrong with that nigga beard though?
That nigga was this is a sex symbol for you, brother.
You think he's sexy?
Yeah.
No, I say he's a sex symbol.
But is he sexy?
My nigga, he is an attractive young dead man.
Skip that.
He dead?
He's super dead.
Marvin Gaye, his daddy killed him.
That's right.
Oh.
That's the only reason why you know him, huh?
Yeah.
That's fucked up.
So Marvin Gaye, Teddy Pendergrass, I'm going Ron Isley.
All right, Immokalee
Hey,
or
let me
Fort
finish.
Myers?
Broccoli, bitch. Fuck wrong with
You
you?
ain't even let me finish, though.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Immokalee or Haiti?
Immokalee, bitch. Fuck wrong with you? Immokalee over everything.
Damn, bro, I ain't finished though.
Okay.
Let me give you the
All right.
third option.
All right.
Immokalee, Haiti, or your mom?
Your mama.
Immokalee, man.
Oh damn.
My mama, mom. If it's mom or Immokalee, mom, sorry.
This is gonna test your people because you say you wouldn't say nothing bad about Fort Myers.
Never.
Well, there's some people in Fort Myers that might feel some type of way about how you answer this next question.
Come on, somebody.
Soul food or Haitian food?
Haitian food. Haitian food is by far, and this ain't even no bias shit. Haitian food is by far the best food ever created, ever cooked.
Gade
You
go
can't
se
even touch
misye.
it.
Gade go se misye.
You
Why
can't.
gres nan figi
You
misye?
can't.
Li manje Haitien to.
Legumes, saupois, dicolè,
Well,
bouillon.
he wasn't helping you. He
Over
said,
our
he said, look at your side.
Monsieur Vinsou,
He said
eh?
you got too
Miss-
much grease on your face.
He got dark spots on his face.
Oh.
He looked like the old Charlotte Bain the God.
You just
Damn.
He got fat people dimples.
Oh.
When it's just dark here for no reason.
Okay. All right.
Listen, when this camera goes off,
Let's go get
we going in.
Last question.
I can't do it because you my gassy gas. But when this camera go off, oh brother.
No, we gotta edit like.
Oh.
Hey, Kenzie, we gotta edit like 30% of this
You
shit.
think Kenzie added in this?
No, you got to. Dog, I swear on everything I love. Dog, I would.
That's
Okay,
the
go ahead.
editor right there.
You gonna see all. I'm gonna make.
Jonas.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna blow up the spots you don't like.
Nah, cause dog, you will ruin. Go ahead. boy, you will ruin so many things for me, boy.
Hey, all right.
Oh my god.
I'm here to
Eating
ruin
booty or non-eating?
Eating booty, man. Eat ass. I eat ass, man. I look a bitch from her ankles to her cankles.
God.
Man, listen, the ass was made to be eaten. If you ain't eating your chick ass, you cheating. No lie. And, I mean, listen. I'm not saying that like a man should just go and just say, eat my ass. I'm saying, as a man,
tread lightly.
she should lick lightly. What I'm saying
You
is,
what?
there's nothing wrong with having a lady. Just sometimes the taint part, you know what the taint is? It's like between your balls and your butt. Then like she licked and you grab her head and you just like, you know what? My legs open. So y'all have never had y'all butt. Okay.
I don't
You
want
got her
my butt
spread-
eaten, bro.
Look, he's
It's a
spread-
Haitian thing, dog. Y'all,
Bro,
hold up, y'all
I
eat ass.
No.
Y'all have never eaten ass.
No.
Y'all chick ain't never been
Never.
fake for the whole relationship.
You wanna
And
look-
it's gonna be edited out this fucking video.
You know it.
Hey, man, getting edited out, brother, man.
Nah, so I won't share this. I swear to God, I will report it. I swear. Y'all be like, God damn, why we can't share Josh Pray interview? All jokes aside, I've been popping everywhere. I'm trying to pop. I got a concert I'm hosting this weekend. Well, this ain't gonna be out this weekend.
You know, James did you a disservice by doing that.
But
this motherfucker ain't gonna be out for another week and a half. Maybe.
Okay, so I can shout this out though.
Okay.
November 14th, I will be doing a red carpet at the CMAs. That's a Country Music Awards. So I'll be doing a red carpet.
Fucking
there.
congratulations,
Yeah,
bro.
for sure. Yeah, for sure. That I'll be doing the CMAs. I just got plugged in because you guys are gonna be at Griot Fest this year.
Come on, man.
I'm gonna be at Griot Fest this year.
You see how that shake was different? When you said CMA, this is what I did. Look,
Yeah,
look.
But that's the problem right there. That's why you ain't gonna be at CMAs with me. So I'm at
Got
Griot
your
Fest.
ass with that shit right
James, you with me, so you ain't gonna be there neither.
He might. That's my nigga.
What the fuck you mean, dog?
Look how you hit you shake your hand.
That's my nigga. Though.
Why he just gave you
I'm consistent. I'm consistent.
I got I'm gonna do my I'm gonna do my Lean Forward comedy tour real soon. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get that done in the Midwest. Yeah, Lean Forward.
Chicago, Kansas,
Chicago.
City.
So I'm going Illinois, Tennessee, Texas, South Carolina, North Carolina. You know what? I'm gonna put this on camera. So when y'all drop this, I can't go back on it. I'm gonna try to get y'all plugged in too. And I ain't talking about like y'all split $500, y'all split $1,000. You know what I'm saying?
We ain't got the numbers on the
I'm talking numbers on the air. I'm trying to. If I get paid, y'all get paid. It all go in the same pot.
All right, P. Diddy.
You know what I'm saying? That's it. Dog.
I'm gonna get me a
go-to
gold tooth right here just to honor your name.
I mean, Haitian has been copying Black Americans.
And
for
what I'm
years,
gonna do?
so.
What he gonna do? Is he gonna engrave.
It's more Haitians with golds than Black Americans now.
That's true.
Yeah,
That's true.
yeah.
I can't even.
I remember 2 years ago when it was like Haitian American beef again. The Haitian would say, "Get you a JD Jean, fuck DJ." God
That's
damn,
funny.
that's mean.
I've seen those so many. I've seen a lot of
my
those
God.
videos, memes, and shit. People talking about that.
Like, that's
true.
whack.
We did one like that. It was like when you trade Beverly
For
Miley
Lute for Barbara.
yeah.
The only thing I can say is to anybody that's aspiring to be in the entertainment industry, close your eyes, be colorblind. Know everybody got to laugh.
Yeah.
And you create
Yeah.
a better path. That's it.
It's basically the reason why we changed the James and Jonas.
Like that's real. I think
This
that's
is an
gonna be
open
great.
field, really.
You know what I'm saying? It ain't even about the money. It's just about people seeing how talented you guys are.
Right.
And you limit yourselves when every joke's a Haitian joke. You don't understand that we want to laugh at y'all too. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
That's it.
Oh man, I appreciate that, man.
Pray, man.
Since we
Yeah.
met
You
all
know,
been love.
unfortunately for you guys, it's gonna continue after the camera stops. So sorry.
Now a lot of this shit better be edited the fuck out.
Ain't nothing.
You keep this part and listen. Just know if y'all see this interview and it went from us laughing to like a random ass part, just know there was some stuff in there that could not be in there. And I apologize, but boy, a lot of things have changed in life if that was part of the interview. I promise.
You really want us to edit that out?
Hell yeah!
Oh, he's for real.
Oh, you not lying.
Nigga, like, boy, oh my gosh.
I ain't gonna put it in there.
All right.
No, what?
It's your word. I put in like a little bit.
Fuck no.
You know what we'll do is we'll cut and put up the censor bars and then get right back into it.
Now you gotta put. This is where Josh. You
Fucked
say
up.
You say no. Boop. Josh's life would have been destroyed
If we would have let that in.
Yes.
Okay.
This is gonna be like an
So
Easter egg.
when they see it, and then when they see this part, they'll be like, okay,
That's what they were talking about.
okay.
And then you know what? Next time we ever do this again, then we can like whatever. You know what I'm saying?
You can't. No more edits.
Yeah,
next
this
interview,
is the one edit you get.
Next interview, I promise, no more edit, but I will not come unless it's a disclosure form sign. I'm Beyonce, bitch. You got to sign so you want to party with me.
You are the Beyonce of this shit.
I'm the Beyonce of me because I'm only with me. I'm a smart guy.
the fuck you talking about right now?
Lowry.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna be honest.
This nigga, hey, this has been Let's
Josh,
Parle with Mr.
They still make
Prey.
those computers?
Dope, man.
Yo, get the fuck. I'm stop camera. Stop the camera, kids.
Hit the record button, producer.
Hey, it's James and Jonas. Click and subscribe so you can earn free good on the Sunday Spins.